Whatever this is, it's out of your control at this point. I think it's just one of the miracles of it, of the human body and the human mind. You will adapt. You will overcome. Looking back at how I felt when I was first diagnosed, it's hard to look forward to the future when that's upon you. And I don't live a normal lifestyle for somebody my age. I designed and built my own house. I'm a masonry contractor. Taught myself how to lay brick, found it kind of satisfying, and that's what I do. And I'm able to do it 10, 12 hours a day at 56 years old. And when you get a diagnosis of neuroendocrine cancer, and you have 2 years of projects left to finish, whatever this is, it's out of your control at this point. You will adapt and you will overcome. So based on that, with young children, it was pretty straightforward that we're going to take the bladder out. And Dr. Morgan said, this Neobladder is an option. You being at the young age you are and in the shape that you're in, you're a perfect candidate for it. I said, all right, let's do it. I came out of it just fine. I got a good bladder and a clean bill of health. Now that I think about it, through recovering for cancer, I was always playing in the kitchen and making bread. Fast forward 3-4 years, one of our friends calls and says, hey, are you making any bread, Jeff? Because we just went to 3 stores and there's no bread. It was in the early days, right? When everybody was grabbing every bit of toilet paper and bread they could get. I said, oh, you need some bread? Yeah, I'll make some bread. And that went on for about a week, and I started making more and more and getting better and better at it.
I got myself into a little situation.
Tonight, photojournalist John Cellino introduces us to a Riverview man making artesian bread, feeding his community with heart and soul.
Ooh, I got to break free from all this bad luck that's been following me. And it's time to move on. It's just a little too long now. Ooh.
Everything was locked down, and I just said, I'm just gonna keep doing it. 80% of those days I was making 108 loaves. 70 days at 100 loaves a day, 7,000 loaves. So yeah, it was a lot of bread. Yep, and I think I burnt 6. Burnt 6, yeah.
I'm as free as the birds now, flying through the clear blue sky.
I want everybody to have a good time. We're here for a good time, not a long time.
Nothing gonna keep me down, because I'm breaking free now. And I can't stop moving. I gotta get back into it now.
If somebody were to take away from this where I am now and where I was, you will adapt to the changes and you will overcome.